Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this unit that I received from Ashimaryhair. This is their 22-inch Invisi-Strap 360 lace frontal body wave wig. The unit is constructed with two clear invisible straps on each side of the wig, therefore you'd be able to adjust the wig based on your head type. This unit already came fully pre-customized and pre-cut, so the only thing that I did off camera was apply my foundation to the lace. Now I'm just adjusting the string to my liking, and after doing this, it definitely made the wig feel more secure. And don't forget to tuck both strings inside of the wig cap so that it isn't noticeable. To lay my lace down, I'm going in with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold Gel. Now I'm going in with the Kiss Lace Bond Adhesive Spray for a stronger hold. I'm using the blow dryer on a cool heat setting until the gel and the adhesive spray is tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. I like to lay my lace down in sections, starting with the middle section for easier install. I'm going back in with the Kiss Lace Bond Spray and relaying any areas that did not fully glue down the first time. Now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15. And I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I went in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to melt my lace down. Before styling my hair, I like to go in with a blow dryer to detangle the hair. Eben Wig Knots Concealer in the color Medium Beige to enhance my parting space. Here we have the final look. Since this unit is a 360 lace frontal unit, I decided to do an updo style. The quality of the hair was good. It was nice and soft, and as far as the density, it was a pretty good density. It was not thin at all. This is how the back of the 360 unit look, and honestly I feel like it looks pretty good. It looks decent. For the back of this unit, I made sure that the Invisi-Straps were tightened and secured, and then I pulled out a little bit of hair to make the back look natural. I wore this unit for about a week and I didn't come across any problems as far as tingling and shedding, but I would like to say that this isn't a beginner friendly unit only because of the fact that it is a 360 unit, which requires more maintenance. But that's only if you want to do an updo. If you want to keep it down, you should be fine. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.